Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so you can act quickly. Make sure it has at least 50% battery and connect a PC and known good USB cable. This prevents interruptions. Once done, identify the exact device model because firmware tools differ, and then use the correct key combo, usually power plus volume up or down, or run a DB reboot recovery from a trusted PC. You do this now so the device stays stable, and you avoid data loss during the next steps. Now you diagnose the stuck state by testing non-destructive options. From recovery, wipe the cache partition first because it clears temporary files without erasing personal data. This often resolves boot loops. If that fails, you can sideload an OTA update or flash stock firmware using fastboot on the PC. These restore system files. Make sure to use device-specific, signed images and double-check commands. Incorrect flashing risks bricking the device. Once the flash completes, you will finish by rebooting and watching the first few minutes for stability. That confirms success. If the device remains stuck, you may need a factory reset, but note that erases data, so use it as a last resort. For persistent failures, perform a full reflash of stock firmware or restore a backup. If things still go wrong, connect to a PC and capture logs with a dblogcat to see error messages, because those logs tell you whether it is a driver, partition, or hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.